Alright, number 27. The radius and the tangent segment are perpendicular. So we can make this symbol and this symbol. The next thing you might consider is that polygon PRQS has 4 sides. Recall that the sum of the interior angles of an n-gon is 180 times the number of sides minus 2. So for this yellow shape, which has 4 sides, the sum of its interior angles is 180 times 4 minus 2, which is 180 times 2, which is 360. So the angles inside this foregon add up to 360, and we can set up that equation because we know that these are 90-degree angles and these are x and 3x. So x and 3x is 4x, 90 and 90 is 180, and that's these two angles together giving us the 4x, and the blue ones together, 90 and 90 is 180, and those 4 angles we know add up to 360. If you thought about dividing this yellow foregon into a triangle with this green segment, then the same thing. You know that the 3 angles of a triangle is 180. So if you have 2 triangles, the total of those 6 angles is 360. And so this part of the angle from the top triangle and this part from the bottom one added plus this blue one plus this part and this part, which is 3x plus the blue one, is x plus 90 plus 3x plus 90, just like before. And it's 2 triangles, which is 180 and 180, which is 360. So however you like to look at it, there you go. And now we can solve this for x by subtracting 180 from the left and subtracting 180 from the right, dividing both sides by 4, and x is 45, and x happens to be the measure of angle P, 45 degrees. And there it is.